Hello dear students, I hope you all are well. As we know that earlier we have discussed about your chapter 3, that is Microsoft Access, reports, queries and forms. So in Microsoft Access, as we know, it is used for a database purpose. That means it is a type of database software. So with the help of Microsoft Access, we can create a form that allow you to add and update data in one record at a time. That means a form is a basic interface by which we can enter data in your database. So children, the next one is when you are creating a form, your data is going to enter with the help of forms. So now children, after adding the data in your database, what we have to do, we have to set a criteria. So what is criteria? A criteria is a condition on the basis of which the records are being shortlisted. Shortlisted means, like, if I said I want the students list whose marks are greater than 80%, so this is the type of criteria in your database. So children, the next topic that we have learned in this chapter, that is a query. So what is a query? A query is a database object that allow you to retrieving information from database. Information, that means if you want a particular information about a particular person based on certain criteria, so with the help of query we can access that type of criteria. In the same way, if we are seeing the report, so what is the report? A report can be exported into a Word file by opening it. So these processes are interrelated. First we are entering the data through the form, then based on particular criteria, what we are doing, we are selecting a particular data from the database. So for selecting a data, we are generating a queries. We are creating a different types of queries for accessing the information of different types of database. So children, when we are doing like this, we can successfully generate a report as a desired format. So this whole process comes in the category of your database as MS Excel. So children, these are the basic database objects that includes tables, forms, reports and queries. So forms provide a user interface for database tables. They are used as the primary method of entering, editing and displaying data contained in database tables. While you can use the datasheet to perform many of the same functions, forms present information in an organized manner, thus enhancing data entry. Now, Access supports three primary views for working with forms. Form design view, where we can control the layout modified but the table data is not displayed. Form view, where control linked to table field display the field's value for the current record. Datasheet view, where you can work directly with the table used by the form. So queries. Access uses a query to extract information from a database table. You construct a query using a design grid. So queries are designed and executed from the query window. The window consists of two panes. One is top pane, another one is a lower pane. So final one is reports. A report is a design document that displays formatted data from one or more database tables. Reports are designed for printing and distribution to an audience. Now, a reports are used to summarize large quantity of data into meaningful information. Using